Smart Money Secret: How the Elite Really Trade the Markets. Chapter 1: The Hidden Game. Take a breath, because what you're about to hear, most retail traders never understand. The market is not random. It is engineered. Behind every major move are institutions, banks, hedge funds, market makers, players with enough capital to move price itself. Smart money concepts are built on the idea that retail traders should follow these footprints instead of fighting them. And today, you stop being liquidity. You start reading the game. Chapter 2: Why Retail Traders Lose. Most traders are taught the wrong things. Buy breakouts, trust obvious support and resistance, chase momentum. But here's the truth. Institutions need liquidity to fill massive positions. They often push price into zones where retail stop-loss orders sit, triggering them before reversing the move. That breakout you chased? Often a trap. Smart money doesn't chase price. They engineer it. Chapter 3: Understanding Liquidity. Liquidity is the oxygen of the market. Without it, big players cannot enter. Where does liquidity live? Equal highs, equal lows, trendline stops, obvious support and resistance. Smart money frequently targets these areas first because large orders require counterparties to fill efficiently. Remember this line: price moves to liquidity before it moves to direction. Burn that into your mind. Chapter 4: Market Structure: The True Map. Before entries, before indicators, you must read structure. The market speaks in a simple language. Higher highs and higher lows equals bullish. Lower highs and lower lows equals bearish. Smart money traders use breaks of structure, BOS, to confirm continuation and changes of character, CHOCH, to spot potential reversals early. Structure is not optional. It is your compass. Chapter 5: Order Blocks: Institutional Footprints. Now we get closer to the secret. An order block is the last opposing candle before a strong move, a zone where large institutional orders were likely placed. Why does price return there? Because institutions rarely fill positions in one shot. They scale in, leaving unfilled orders that may get completed when price revisits the area. Retail traders chase the move. Smart money waits for the return. Patience is power. Chapter 6: Fair Value Gaps: The Market's Imbalance. Sometimes price moves too fast. When that happens, the market leaves an imbalance, often called a fair value gap. These gaps form when aggressive buying or selling overwhelms the market, creating inefficient price delivery. And here's the pattern: fast move to imbalance to later revisit. Smart traders use these zones for precision entries, not guesses, precision. Chapter 7: Premium versus Discount: The Professional Edge. Institutions don't buy randomly. They buy cheap. They sell expensive. Inside smart money concepts, below equilibrium equals discount, buy zone. Above equilibrium equals premium, sell zone. The goal is simple: buy low in an uptrend, sell high in a downtrend. Sounds obvious, but most traders do the opposite. Chapter 8: The Smart Money Entry Model. Here is your simple execution flow. Step 1: Identify higher time frame trend. Step 2: Mark liquidity. Step 3: Wait for liquidity sweep. Step 4: Watch for CHOCH or BOS. Step 5. Enter at order block or FVG. Step 6. Manage risk like a professional. This is where amateurs quit and disciplined traders are born. Chapter 9. Risk, the real secret. Let me be blunt. Smart money concepts without risk management is just expensive entertainment. Professional rules. Risk 1 to 2% per trade. Minimum 1 to 2 risk reward. Never trade emotionally. Consistency over excitement. Because the real secret is not one perfect trade. It is surviving long enough to compound. Final message. Your next level. You now see differently. The market hasn't changed, but your eyes have. From this moment forward, you don't chase. You don't guess. You don't trade like retail. You observe. You wait. You execute. Welcome to the Smart Money Mindset.